Alright, so in my previous video, I asked for what GPU I should get, whether the 5070 Ti or the 9070 XT, and the answer were pretty divided. So now before I get the GPU I actually want, I still need a CPU. I was actually thinking on Intel's or AMD, but I'm leaning more into the AMD because there is a lot of reviews that is good. Now I'm thinking on the AMD Ryzen 9 9900 X3D, which is expensive, but it still gives me that future proof, only because many games at the moment needs a requirement of 6 cores or 8 cores to play them. So I'm thinking if I want to play a high-end game later in the future, then I might need something that is super nice. So should I go for it or should I wait for something else?